This is another post-pandemic traveler video, and today I'm in the Blue Mountains National Park at Conservation Hut. I'm going through a little bit of a walk through some of the walking tracks. I think the one I'm going through is called Empress Falls. It's a 1 hour return journey. It's pretty hard. There's a fair few stairs, but you end up getting to like a really beautiful waterfall. You can't really swim there, but supposedly it's really beautiful. So this is the Conservation Hut National Parks and Wildlife Services. They've got like a few different things around. What's this say? The Conservation Hut tells you a little bit of information about it. I think they built it, I don't know when actually, I'm not really sure I care. But yeah, so I think you can get some lunch, some stuff like that. Here's some maps of the Valley of the Waters. Bit of the maps. You can pause if you need to. Alright, so I'll show you a little bit of the view and a little bit of what's happening here. So it looks like someone's sort of like rock climbing down the fall. You can kind of see it from over there. I can't really see it from here.
There's a whole bunch of them there, so I think.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the word. That's the word for it. That's the word for it.
No, no way. I don't know.
Ooh, slippery, be careful. Oh, don't die. No. Alright, so we've made it to a Valley of the Waters track. Looks like left to National Pass and Empress Falls and right to Nature Track. So, as I said earlier, we're on the way to Empress Falls. So, let's do it. You right in the bag? You want me to wait? So yeah, some of these walks are a little bit chronic on the knees, so if you have bad knees, because the stairs aren't all equal, can be a little bit much on the knees. Ooh, this is a big one.
Thank you.
You're all right. How else do you pick up on a walking track? Like pick up strangers on a walking track?
What?
How else do you pick up strangers on a walking track except by asking them if they want a hand getting down?
Well, that's what you do, you get the bus or the guy.
Now this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Alright, so a little bit of a view going down, but up. Now that to me looks amazing. You dare me to drink the water? Yeah. You dare me or not? Alright guys, so if you watch to the end of the video, you might see whether or not this water kills me. So let's try to drink some water. You gonna hold that? So just point it and at me.
But how do you see if it's on you?
Just point it at me.
Right, okay.
Come closer.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, the serenity. Woo!
It's nice and fresh.
Oh, my stomach. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Maybe it would be like that when you get here.
Oh. Oh. Hopefully there was no fucking fat cunt having a piss up there.
You just had a big drop of it.
Oh. Woo! Alright, so now we have some wood stairs. So these are probably going to be a little bit more slippery than the other. No, not really, eh? It's not too bad, but I'm still going to hold on to the side when I go down just in case.
Yeah, if you want to get down to
So some of the rock climbers going for a bit of a swim. Did you climb down?
Yeah.
Have you done it before?
Yeah, once or twice.
Once or twice? Good fun?
Yeah.
Is that, you normally do abseiling and shit, or?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Oh. Bit scary for me. 100% I could do anything I put my mind to.
Yeah.
I think he was getting a bit weirded out because he knew he's going to be in a post-pandemic traveller video. Oh, well, guess what? One thing I've learnt is it's easier to ask for forgiveness than it is for permission. And a lot sexier too. You're lucky I'm not fucking making a, like going for a swim in there.
You're lucky one.
That I'm not going for a swim in there.
I'll leave you on the little camera.
So this is a lot easier of a walk than the 6-foot track in Katoomba, and you feel a lot safer here because there's so much more water if you kind of wanted to have a drink or even wanted to wash your face to cool down. Plus there's actual railings and a whole lot of people, so if something did happen to you, like, there'd be people that could help you. But this was a good idea. I'm going to say, coming here was a good idea. And especially, like, deciding to come even though the weather looks a bit shit. Because by the time we get here, you see what it's like. And look how beautiful it is. I'll swim in this. I wouldn't give a fuck. How's that for a view? Nice trees.
Yeah.
Sorry if there's a bit of moisture on the lens. I keep wiping it, but it's really damp here, if you could imagine. Oh, puddles! Alright, we're gonna do the weird trick again. Just over here. There we go. Woo! Made it! As you can probably tell, I don't like getting my feet wet. Both. So we just managed to get a little bit off the beaten track. As you can see, I've left the path. The friend I came here with is not really happy about it, but I just wanted to see like how far this path went and if it got any closer to like somewhere where I could possibly go for a little dip. As you can see, basically that's a no, unless maybe I went down there a bit, but this is fucking getting dangerous. So yeah, oh, spiderweb. So I think, yeah, you could basically climb your way all the way down there and then get down to that waterfall. But I'm not risking it, so I'm going back up. Alright, I'm still alive. There's actually a way to get from here down to the actual waterfall just down there, but it's not deep enough really to swim, and because it's probably been raining a little, you know, because it's a little bit wet, not the greatest idea.
Be smart.
Oh. But yeah, I just wanted to see. Alright, so this is as far as we're going. Now it's time to head back up.
Oh, yeah?
Oh me. Woo! Oh. So we didn't really find the next waterfall or anything. We just made it. We basically just went to, yeah, just I don't know if you saw us. Yeah, just there, and then we gave up because it says something about it goes heaps further. Like, well, how far did it say? Another 2 hours or some shit. So, but you'll see the sign and, you know, make your decision. Yeah, she looks like it's not happening.
Every time I come down with the sun, he's only fine, so he's only ever gone to the top of the waterfall.
Okay.
And then he gets tired.
Yeah, and that's enough, yeah. That's enough. You can't carry him all the way. Plus, if it gets slippery on those stairs, you're carrying a kid and he's falling over, not a good idea. Sweet as. Alright, nice to talk to you, mate. Have fun.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh. Walking up this hill and vlogging is a bit annoying. So I've shown you as much as I can for now. I'll show you how tired I am when we get to the top. So until then. Okay, so we've made it back to the top. Oh, I'm a little bit puffed, but even the walk back up was not terrible. Nothing like 6 foot track. So yeah, out of all of the hikes I've done, this was quite literally one of the easiest. There was like rails on the way down. Hopefully you've watched from the beginning and you'll be able to see. So I'm back at the conservation hut. I'm gonna make my way to the car and then head off to Katoomba to go get some lunch. So once again, this has been a Pandemic Traveler video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you know anyone that might be interested in my channel, please share it with them. If there's anything you'd like to ask me, please feel free to leave a comment. Pandemic Traveler, peace out.